And you have said the vows willingly, and here you go.
So I really encourage young women not to shy away, but to go for leadership positions because they are there. And we should not think that they are for a certain group, but it is available for everyone, and we should pursue them.
As part of the Rotary family, the ladies have really risen, and we're just seeing the season where the ladies come up and they are able to actually give very, very good leadership to the club and its ideals. And I think as members, we want to encourage that. We want to encourage as many of the ladies to come on board.
We have seen more women taking positions in Rotary. As you can see in this club, Stony Athi, we've had 2 women presidents in a row, and we're having women district governor. The next one was PDG Azeb from Ethiopia, and then we have Warimu Jage, which is now PDG, and upcoming we also have another woman district governor.
In our club, we support women leadership. Over the years, we've had several women leading our club, and that speaks volume already because means we support women. We are giving women the lead. Women come up with the goals, that come up with the vision, and they're the same women who implement them.